Mother hen said, "Stay with me, little chicks, 1, 2, 3." Morning sun was shining bright, chicks were jumping in delight. One little chick ran far away, chasing butterflies at play. Mother hen said, "Oh my dear, come back home and stay near." 2 more chicks ran to the tree, climbing roots so happily. Mother hen called, "Where are you? Come back home, my little two." 3 small chicks went to the stream, splashing water, laugh and scream. Mother hen said, "Don't go far, home is where your mama are." 4 little chicks ran in the sun, running, jumping, having fun. Then they heard their mother say, "Little chicks, don't run away." One by one they turned around, running fast across the ground. Back they came to Mother hen, happy, safe, together again.
Hi kids, subscribe to our channel.
Yay, so much fun!
Click the big red button.